Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the video filter to overlay only using CapCut PC. So it's very simple, and how to first select your videos or just photo that you like to edit, right? Here, and then you can select the overlay, put on top. So this is the photo overlay, and I'm going to resize and change for the position. Alright, I'm going to add filters. For example, TBN W filter. But you can see the filter is applying to all the clips, and I want to add just for the overlay. I want to apply for the overlay only. So how to? It's super simple. You can select the overlay and filter, and then right click and create component clip, and you can see the filter. It's it's applied to the overlay only. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.